After hours at the Farmington, New Mexico signal shop, timing is everything. The same is true on the streets of Farmington, where timing at intersections is critical.
We have a couple of intersections where the side street traffic is just as high as the main street traffic. So just trying to get everyone through corridors.
Farmington's traffic engineer Demetrius Henry says split failures have been the biggest problem. Vehicles getting stopped short, kind of like a ball into the net, and waiting through multiple light cycles.
And I can develop a timing plan.
Traffic supervisor Aaron Tinker says Farmington needed reliable detection because of ongoing problems they've had with video detection, but needed to stay within budget.
I think when we first started, we were having some split failures in the 20 and 30% range.
Cost is always something that cities have to wrestle with, especially with limited budgets.
Matt O'Connor with Summit Traffic Solutions is the Wavetronix dealer in this region.
If we can just use the one conduit that's good and get to a corner where this can work, it also alleviates a lot of budget constraints that way too.
Farmington became the first city in the nation to install the Wavetronix XP21 sensor, a single sensor that covers all 4 approaches.
Really just to optimize some of our busy intersections, where like the peak hour traffic, the school rush hour traffic, just at those times obviously in traffic, they just boom, explode for that little peak hour and then dissipate after that.
Farmington paired the sensors with the new Wavetronix TimingGuide software. For the first time, they had live analytics at their fingertips.
Farmington's always been a very data-forward agency for us. They have a lot of signals, a lot of traffic, especially on the weekends, and a relatively limited staff.
In Farmington, traffic isn't just local. As a regional hub, the city faces heavy flows and serious congestion during peak hours.
So once there was an option to allow that kind of data collection with the new detection product they're using, it seemed like an easy fit.
It's proposing to cut that down to 6 seconds.
Instead of guesswork, TimingGuide suggests precise changes to balance green time and cut split failures.
It's telling us that we have 589 fewer consecutive split failures. So a major improvement.
The TimingGuide are just giving us a time of day type plan, seeing what to optimize our signal timing.
Drivers keep moving.
Just getting that initial cue that's at the light, getting them through is, so if it stops them, TimingGuide says, hey, we probably should add some more time here, take away from the other time, things like that.
It's like a great rally. The ball keeps pinging and ponging without getting stopped by the net.
We got to ping pong and all this other fun stuff we do, kind of just alleviates all the stress.
Farmington's been happy. They've got 6 XP21s now and been running really well.
To learn more about TimingGuide, visit Wavetronix.com, or to schedule a virtual product demo, go to wavetronix.com/lab.